Does eating too many chia seeds cause side effects? Dating back more than 5,000 years since their first cultivation, chia seeds have now become an extremely popular go-to item within the health community. They are easy on the digestion and offer a mild, nutty flavor, which makes them perfect to add to desserts, smoothies, and porridge. They can be eaten raw, soaked or ground up, and happen to be highly nutritious. In addition to giving incredible energy, chia seeds also provide many amazing health benefits, especially when consumed frequently. In this video, we will tell you about 9 amazing things that will happen when you eat chia seeds. Number 1. You'll have a bigger, better smile. Chia seeds contain the same amount of calcium as a glass of milk, which makes them excellent for maintaining the health of your teeth. They also contain zinc, phosphorus, and vitamin A, which helps to reduce plaque buildup and eliminates bacteria that causes bad breath and gum disease. Number 2. You'll have stronger muscles and better workout recovery. Who would have guessed that these chia seeds are a total protein powerhouse? They are one of the densest sources of plant protein, helping to give you strong and lean muscles as well as improving fat burn. Not only that, but they are also a rich source of highly absorbable magnesium, which has been proven to reduce muscle cramps and speed up recovery after each workout. Number 3. You'll reduce your chances of getting type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid and plenty of fiber, which has been proven to balance blood sugar levels and dramatically reduce the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. The gel-like soluble fiber helps to slow digestion and prevents insulin resistance and blood pressure spikes, which is a great source of anti-diabetic support. Number 4. You will lower your risk of hypertension. The powerful omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are great for lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. Chia is also packed with magnesium, iron, potassium and antioxidants, which help to give you better quality blood and bring your blood pressure to its ideal level. Number 5. You'll have a stronger, healthier heart. Because chia seeds are so high in soluble and insoluble fiber, they help to lower cholesterol levels and clear out any harmful inflammation and plaque buildup in the cardiovascular system. This helps to prevent heart disease and heart failure. They are also a rich source of antioxidants, which reduces free radical damage and rejuvenates deteriorating cells, giving you a stronger and healthier heart. Number 6. You will increase your brain power. Chia seeds are an excellent source of easily digestible omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the proper functioning of the brain. It helps to fight depression, both by reducing inflammation and by building up the tissue in your brain associated with happy feelings. Number 7. You will lose some weight. The amount of fiber in chia seeds is enough to shift the scale in the right direction, helping to keep you feeling fuller for longer while ridding your body of excess water and waste. It also contains plenty of zinc, which is known to stimulate leptin. Number 8. You'll increase your energy levels and endurance. When chia seeds are soaked, they form a gel-like substance, which remarkably contains just as much energy as many popular energy drinks. At 100 calories per spoonful, they are one of nature's best sources of pure energy. Number 9. You'll improve your digestion. No need to worry if you're getting enough fiber if you have chia seeds. Just 80 grams will give you 100% of your daily requirement for dietary fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. It also helps to eliminate toxins and excess waste while keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.